And before we proceed with this afternoon celebration, we pause a moment for to give thanks and a moment of great honor. Through the years, the Filipino community in Italy has grown stronger, more united, and more vibrant. This is thanks in large part of the unwavering support of leaders who stand with us, celebrate with us, and work tirelessly to uplift and share our identity abroad. This afternoon, we are privileged to hear from one such leader, a dedicated public servant, a champion of Filipino culture and values, and a steadfast supporter of our kababayans here in Northern Italy and beyond. With deep respect and pride, we now welcome Consul General of the Republic of the Philippines in Milan, the Honorable Consul General Elmer G. Cato.
Welcome to our Hiyas ng Kalayaan. First of all, I'd like to greet each and every one of you here. A happy Independence Day. We're gathered here as part of our series of events commemorating the 127th anniversary of Philippine independence. So, kahapon ba yun? Nung isang araw, nung Webes, we commemorated it with an event at the Consulate General of the Philippines. Every June 12, we pay tribute po sa lahat ng ating mga bayani. Mga bayani nung panahon ng ating revolusyon, whose great sacrifice allowed us to enjoy the freedoms we're enjoying today. But we are not only celebrating our heroes past, we are also celebrating our present-day heroes. Kayo po ang aming mga kababayan dito sa Milan at iba pang bahagi ng Hilagang Italia. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng iyong naging kontribusyon. Dahil sa tulong niyo po at ng mahigit na 11 million other Filipinos all over the world, patuloy po ang pag-angat ng ating mahal na inang bayan. So palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili niyo. Ang Hiyas ng Kalayaan po was conceptualized as part of our efforts to raise the profile of the Filipino here in Italy. So in the past 3 years po, we've been working together para maiangat yung antas ng kamalayan ng ating mga kaibigang Italiano tungkol po hindi lang sa atin bilang mga Pilipino, kundi sa Pilipinas na rin po. Dahil napansin po namin, hindi pa po nila tayo ganun kakilala. They don't really know much about us except yun nga, yung mga interactions natin sa isa't isa at kung ano yung nababasa nila sa mga pahayagan. So when I first came here, nakita natin na medyo silent tayo, invisible. So what we've been doing the past 2 years is to try to make us more visible. And as I've said earlier, we want to pay tribute to all of you as well. Last year po, yung economic growth natin was 5.6%. So talagang patuloy yung pag-angat ng ating mahal na inang bayan. So yung Hiyas ng Kalayaan po is meant to honor the Filipino woman, the Filipino migrant woman, especially those here in Italy, dahil kayo po yung talagang pillar ng ating community dito sa Italy. So last year we started with Mutya ng Kalayaan. But this year, we decided to expand para hindi lang po yung mga second generation na kabataan. So, we want to pay tribute to the first generation. Yung pong naunang dumating dito, nakita nyo naman po yung kanilang age range. So, for the first time, we said we should include Lakambini ng Kalayaan. So, that's meant for first generation Filipino women age 40 to 65. So yun is to pay tribute to the first generation who laid the groundwork. Kung hindi po sa first generation natin, hindi po tayo makikilala rito bilang mga masisipag, mababait, mapagkakatiwalaan na mga foreigners. Kaya po every time I talk to Italians, ang taas ng tingin sa atin. So we owe that to the first generation of Filipinos who came here. So kayong mga first generation, the parents, ba? Now, last year, as I've said, we had Mutya ng Kalayaan. Yun yung future natin. So yung mga anak, ba? Yan yung magiging future natin dito. And we're glad, if you're following the Facebook page of the Philippine Consulate, nakikita nyo yung pinopost namin yung mga graduates. So yun po yung fruits ng inyong mga labor. So, pagbibigay-pugay po yan sa mga ina, mga anak, at ngayong taon po, sinama na rin namin yung mga apo. Hindi ba apo? Mga anak ng mga first generation, the third generation. So sila po, the second and third generation will be the future of the Filipino community in Italy. And we want to train them this young. So, the Hiyas ng Kalayaan. So, Hiyas is jewel. So, these are the jewels of the Filipino community. So, we want to highlight them, to pay tribute to them, to honor them. So, today is the presentation of the candidates. So, we have candidates from all over northern Italy and also from the southern part who are taking part in this pageant. That's not all about beauty, di ba? Hindi lang tungkol sa beauty to. It should capture the essence, mga judges, the essence of the Filipino woman, di ba? So yan. So yung mga judges natin, si Mrs. Cato, please rise to be ang aking po may bahay. Ang ating po labor attaché, si Attorney Margarita Marquez, at ang ating welfare officer, si Well of Pet Vergado. So, wala po silang masyadong kakilala sa mga candidates. So, para siguradong objective yung kanilang pag-judge. So, as I've said, this is just the presentation of the candidates. The announcement of who the winners would be will be on July 6. Lahat po tayo magsama-sama sa Arco de la Pace, Linggo, July 6. What we want to do on July 6 is gather the biggest number of Filipinos ever gathered in at least the history of the Filipino presence in Milan. Pupunuin po natin yung Arco de la Pace. So, remember the past 2 years, nandun po tayo sa malayo, sa Idruscalo. Pero ngayon, nasa sentro po tayo. We want to make a statement. Ba? Yung statement po natin dito ay maraming salamat, Italia. Maraming salamat to the Italian people for their kindness, for their hospitality, and for their generosity. Dahil kung hindi po nila tayo tinanggap, hindi po tayo somehow aangat ang buhay, di ba? So, I think it's about time that we say thank you, di ba? And I'm sure our Italian brothers and sisters will greatly appreciate that gesture. So, I hope to see all of you there on July 6. So, good luck to all the candidates. Ang gagaling nila, they made quite an impression. So, I hope to see you all again July 6. Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon.
O, di ba? Talaga si Sir, walang, talagang hands-on sa lahat ng bagay. Diyos ko. Maupo na nga po kayo dyan. Okay. So, thank you so much, Consul General Cato, for that inspiring message and for always championing the Filipino people kung saan man kung saan man po kayo magpunta, kasi hindi lang siya paikot-ikot kundi dito lang sa Northern Italy. Alam kung saan na rin po nakakarating po si Conjen Cato. And also with his post, I don't know if you follow his post, but he really uplifts us all in every aspects. Talagang wala siyang pinipiling tao, bata, matanda, babae, lalaki, lahat